everyone, I'm Miao. Today I'm acting as a tour guide again. She is one of my YouTube followers and contacted me via email. And she lives in the New Zealand and originally from Indonesia. And this time she brought all her family to Beijing to travel. 6 of them in total. So this is the largest group I've ever guided. So yeah, I'm a little nervous. Look, if you go straight, this is the east gate of the Forbidden City. If you don't want to go through the Tiananmen Square, you can enter the Forbidden City, the main gate of the Forbidden City from here. The Tiananmen Square has lots of security check and always has the long line. So if you don't want to go to the Tiananmen Square, and it's an easier route to the Forbidden City. I'm waiting here to meet up with them. We decided to go to the Forbidden City from this gate first. And then if in the afternoon the Tiananmen Square's line becomes shorter, we will go to the Tiananmen Square then. And see this building. Let's see this building. Yeah, it's full of business that specialize in makeup and costume styling. You can see a lot of people dress Qing Dynasty costume, like the princess or the empress outfits. They are just the regular tourists, just dressing up for photos. And this building has a lot of shops that you can rent the costume and get your makeup done. So I think we still have some time before they arrive. So why don't we go inside and have a look? Oh, so many people behind me. Here. See, the screen and the door, 15 yuan for taking pictures. Okay, let's go downstairs. Oh, they even have the English translation. See, a lot of shops. I'm shocked too because this is also my first time come here. Wow, different shops. So the competition is fierce, I think. So the price of the makeup and the costume not very expensive. See, this costume is Ming Dynasty's costume, not Qing Dynasty. Yeah. And that one is the costume of Qing Dynasty. Can you see the difference?
请你看我咱们那个正在化妆。
可以吗？可以吗？啊，谢谢。哦。
完了，你看你想选什么衣服？
Okay, this is the costume of Ming Dynasty. See? Oh, this for men, and this one is the Qing Dynasty costume. The princess and the emperor. See the dragon on it. Qing Dynasty's costume are more popular because we watched a lot of TV series about Qing Dynasty. And this is for the hair direction. See, this one. Hi, nice to meet you.
You must be Albert.
Hi, hello. Albert. Yeah,
Yes.
Ab, right?
Abby.
Abby. Okay, Abby. Yeah.
Hello. How to use it?
Just put it on your ear. This one.
Oh.
Yeah. Then you can hear me. We have a lot of people. Yeah.
Medium.
Yeah.
Explain.
Yeah. Then you can hear my voice. Yeah. Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Can hear. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. It can only be exit, not enter.
Oh.
So we will exit from this gate.
Okay.
Yeah, because it is near the Tiananmen Square and the restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah, this year is the 80th anniversary of victory over Japan. So anti-Japan. So there will be a very big military parade. Yeah. So
And
that's
people can watch it
no on TV.
on TV. Okay.
It's all around the Forbidden City. This moat. All around this Forbidden City. The moat. Yeah. 52 meters wide.
52 meters.
Yeah. The history of the Forbidden City has 605 years. Yeah.
605 years.
5 years old. Yeah. The most difficult thing is not build it. It's the materials. All kinds of materials. They convey some of the, all the wood. It's the purple sandalwood. We will go to the furniture hall first in the Forbidden City. You can see all these buildings were most of them used the purple sandalwood. It's a very precious tree. 楠木 tree. We called it 楠木 tree. It's only in the South China and in the deep forest we can find it. Have you heard about 楠木 tree?
No.
No?
Then is it like the direction? Yes, south.
No, not the same word, but same pronunciation.
Oh.
Yeah. And you can see two other important colors. One is green roof. Green roof, it means emperors' brothers. Their residence use the green roof. It's just 1 degree down from the yellow. First the yellow and then the green. And then another one is blue. Blue is the temple of heaven, for the heaven, the sky color. Yeah. In front of us is the gate of spring harmony. We won't go across the bridge yet. We find some place in the shade and I have a map. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Never mind. Shade and have a little rest. And then I will show you the map of the Forbidden City. Yeah. We will come back again, so you have time to take pictures. Yeah. Come back here again. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite large, and it has over 9,000 rooms. If we want to stay here, to overnight, each of us live one room. It takes 25 years to live all of these rooms. Yeah, and the most important palaces in the Forbidden City is along the central axis, as I mentioned a lot, central axis. Okay, let's take picture together. Yeah. And in Chinese idea, west means gold. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's Golden River, and this is the Golden River Bridge. The largest one in the Forbidden City, the largest hall, and it only be used 4 or 5 times a year for the big ceremonies, like the enthronement of the new emperor, the emperor's birthday, and the Chinese New Year. to celebrate Chinese New Year. So it's only used 4 times a year. But this is the most important one, largest one, highest one. This is a place for the emperor to have a short rest. Yeah, it's served as the super fancy VIP resting chamber for the emperor. Yeah, before the big ceremony. At the New Year's Eve, the emperor would hold would entertain his ministers here. Yeah. And there were also another very important function in this hall is to hold the imperial examination. Imperial examination. 300 scholars would gather here and to take the examination, resided by emperor himself. Yeah, they are the best of the best, elite from the elite, the scholars. Yeah, we have 4 levels: county level, provincial level, national level, and the last one, the imperial level. Yeah, it's very difficult to pass all these levels. Yeah, but even you pass through the basic one, the county level, you have many privileges of not participating in the labor works. Yeah, and could not kneel down to your magistrate, the officers on your provinces. Yeah, many privileges, let alone when they pass the national level or imperial level. Yeah.
So if you pass the imperial level, what will you be?
The officials, the ministers. Yeah. So this is the only way that people can change their social status. Yeah, the only way.
Still fair enough.
Yeah. So people in Ming and Qing dynasties, they all read books, study very hard. Yeah, want to change their social status.
Well,
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the highest point in the Forbidden City. So highest point. 20 years ago, that is the highest point of Beijing. The CCTV tower, Central Television Tower, 20 years ago. And recently, about 5 years ago, that new one, yeah, that's the highest building in Beijing. Yeah, it belongs to a company. They have many white collars worked there, many international headquarters, yeah, located there. Yeah, the highest point. 108 floors above the floor. Yeah, 108.
Kingdom.
Look at a close look at about the furniture, the decorations. The aroma, it really now it has the. I've some interview. Is that okay? Yeah. First is why do you choose China to travel, or Beijing? Why?
Well, it's kind of trending right now.
Yeah, trending.
Through the
Especially
when you go to Instagram, maybe X, people talk about China, how advanced it is, and it's rapidly developed. Yeah, that's why we want to see it by our own eyes.
I think many Westerners now also go to China. They make a YouTube video, some very interesting. So so we want to see the development and advancement in China.
Yeah, and what's the impression of Beijing now? You've been to here for only 2 days, so what's the impression?
Huge.
Huge? Yeah. Huge. Yeah. Hot. Yes. Yes. Yeah. How about Peking duck?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Twice.
北京烤鸭很好吃。
You know, yeah. And what do you think about the Forbidden City? Yeah.
Very big.
Very big. Yeah.
Yeah, actually it's called the city, but I see it more like palace, like the emperor's house or palace. It's just very big.
Yeah.
Extremely huge.
Yeah. You learn architecture, so you can tell with the feeling about this architecture, the colors.
I think we are from Indonesia, and there's also some pelajaran apa?
Kingdom.
some small
Yeah.
kingdom there,
Oh.
and it's kind of have the same philosophical like the middle imaginary line, the center line, and from east north to south, but it's 10 times, 100 times bigger than what
Yeah.
we already.
Yeah,
Yes,
here
yes.
is way
Way
bigger.
bigger.
Yeah.
And the symbolism, the naga, the long or dragon,
yeah.
terus the mythical animal kirin, the apa turtle is also have some similarity in Southeast Asia. Yeah.
Yeah. And is there some Beijing's different out of your imagine before you come and when you come here? The difference.
Actually, I think Beijing is very clean.
It's
quite
it's quite clean.
yeah, relatively cleaner than our country.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some places still feels old, but some places already feels like a modern.
More.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we haven't been into the CBD yet,
Yeah.
but it's look good.
Yeah. Tall buildings, all
Yeah,
tall buildings. Yeah. Crowded than you thought. Crowded than you thought.
Crowded,
Than you
yeah,
thought.
of course.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
But luckily you guys have like a very wide road here.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's gonna be way traffic than now.
Yeah.
And also the subway system.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
subway system is
Yeah.
a big help.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. That's all the question. Thank you.
Okay.